Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to showcase rare achievements on your Steam profile. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see your username. Hover your mouse over your username and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Profile to access your Steam profile page. Once you're on your profile, look at the right panel of the screen. You'll notice an Edit Profile button there. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the profile editing interface where you can customize various aspects of how your profile appears to other Steam users. Now, here's an important note you need to be aware of. In order to enable the featured showcase section, you typically need to reach Steam level 10 first. This is a requirement that unlocks your first profile showcase slot. Since my account hasn't reached level 10 yet, I'll walk you through the next steps so you know exactly what to do when you do reach that level. Assuming you've reached level 10 and unlocked the featured showcase, you'll find this option in the left panel of the Edit Profile screen. It's located alongside the featured badge option, making it easy to spot among your other customization choices. Let's pretend that I have the featured showcase available in my left panel. I would click on it to begin setting up my rare achievements display. This feature is particularly useful for showing off those hard-to-earn accomplishments that demonstrate your dedication to specific games. After clicking on the featured showcase, you'll see a list of your rare achievements appear. Select the rare achievements you want to display on your profile from this list. You can choose the ones you're most proud of or the ones you think will impress visitors to your profile the most. These are achievements that only a small percentage of players have earned, so they really help your profile stand out. Once you've made your selections, simply click Save. Your rare achievements will now be proudly displayed on your Steam profile for everyone to see, highlighting your gaming accomplishments and dedication. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to showcase rare achievements on your Steam profile. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.